Hey guys, I haven't recorded lately because Saturday I went to the mall with my girlfriend. We got some early Christmas presents for a couple people, and we also got a GameStop package bundle of Gears 1, which I already have, to Gears Judgment Day, so I'll be completing that series for a Let's Play. Sunday, I was so busy with spending time with my girlfriend, same as Monday and yesterday, because she had days off Monday and yesterday. And Saturday. Sunday, she kind of had work later, so. So, right now, it's storming, raining and thundering. So, I'm going to wait until at least the thundering stops, because I don't want to take a chance of getting the house struck by lightning. So I'm just going to wait till it calms down too before I start any recording. If I don't record anything today besides this, I'll record tomorrow. So, I'm going to be listening to rain. Which I like the rain. Tell me what you think about the rain. And I gotta check them out today. Right. Well, I'll let you guys go for now. Bye.